Hi, Merry Christmas. I hope you had an awesome holiday and I hope you stick around to find out what's in the box. I'm sure I've said it, before, but I don't like to yammer for 20 minutes to get to the good stuff. And I hate when people do that to build views or suspense or whatever, or they just want to chat about it. But I like to get to the good stuff. So here we go. It came from Louis Vuitton. I just took the ribbon off. The receipt is somewhere else. And inside this beautiful bag is the Louis Vuitton Boit Chapeau, but it is exclusive to the Gump building from Waikiki. And when they had their grand reopening, they made, backwards, they made a limited edition color. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it is a bluity, purpley, awesome color. I love it. I love the 4 feet, and she is perfect for me. I don't think that you can get too much in. Maybe a card holder and maybe a key clay or something small like that. But basically, the only thing fitting in this bag is love and happiness. That's pretty much it. And it has the buckle, and it has a traditional, I don't know what you call it, that pochette matisse type of lock. And when you open her up, she doesn't open wide, but a strap that basically I'm sure I'll switch it out because I'm sure it's too short. And this is, oh, there we go. That is the item number if you can find it or, want one. But yes, this was my Christmas gift from Santa. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's tiny and perfect. A little impractical, yeah, but I don't care. I love this bag already. And yeah, she's a little heavy, but I still love it. I really wanted the reverse monogram, and when I saw this, and it made me not want the reverse as much anymore. I still have a little bit of doubt about it, but not really. Because I think I wanted the reverse for so long that's why I'm still thinking about it. And the luggage tag is leather on the back and then a really thick metal on the front. So I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas, share with you my gift, and hope you have an amazing holiday season. And I'll do what fits inside and all of that good stuff. Well, you know what? I think I'll do it now. Let me just give me a second. Okay, so I grabbed a few SLGs just to see what fits inside. And this is my Empreinte card holder, a Chanel lip gloss. This is 712, and I think I saw Pink Butterfly Girl with this first, and I was like, I have to have that color. So that's that. And then my Empreinte key holder. This is like the best thing ever. I'm hooked. Now I see why people say, oh, if I had to give up everything, I would always keep this one item. I can't say that. It would be that bag right there because that's my favorite girl. But I see why people love this so much. It's awesome. And she does go inside. And I could probably get maybe one more thing inside, another small card holder or, yeah, another small card holder. So it's not completely impractical. But she's so pretty. I love this. And again, thank you for your time. Merry Christmas and aloha. Like it.